All right, I got here a 2018 Camry. It's from the auction. Now, customer complaint is he said there was a bunch of lights on, and I don't know what happened, but he ended up replacing this, and he said a lot of the lights went off, the clock spring. But he said there's still an airbag light and an engine light. No engine light, but he can't read the engine computer. So he said he checked all the fuses, and he still can't read it. Let's see. All right, it lights up. Let's just do an auto scan. So I'm not sure how he got to this if he couldn't read it. I don't know. I'm not sure. He's not here now, so I don't have the backstory. Oh, sorry. It says 2019 Camry on the key. All right. It's not reading. So, but there's no engine light on, so it can't be a real issue. It has to be just the way the pins are. Maybe there's an aftermarket device there. Hold on. Let me get a light. So I'm just gonna pull this out, and I'm gonna look at the pins of the OBD. And if you see right here, there's pins in all of them. That 99% of the time, I can't say 100 because I'm sure someone's gonna have a car that has it, but 99% of the time that means this is not the original part. And there's a port behind it, so I'm gonna have to pull this panel down and see what's behind here. All right, here we go. See, right here is a ripped wire. Is that the can high or can low? Hold on. Pin, that's 16, so which one's which? Is that can high? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, right, this is can low, ripped. So that's why we can't read it, but this is not the original port. This is the original port. It's just tapped into something, so I'm gonna plug it straight into here. And now we should be able to read this computer because there's no engine light on. So it means that the computer could communicate. Otherwise we would have issues. Now let's try this again. There we go. 19 Camry. Do a full scan, see why the airbag light's on. Alright, no codes on the ECM. ABS has 5 codes, but they replaced it, so it could be it just needs a calibration. Two codes on the airbag module. Alright, we got in the engine. Okay, we have vehicle driven with steering angle sensor not initialized because they changed that. Steering sensor output, that's all in the history. Oh, they're all history. Open and neat airbag. Okay, the airbag light's on because open it and neat airbag, D-side squib circuit. Driver side squib circuit and the neat airbag, that's down here. Okay, we'll look at that in a minute. Actually, it's current, okay. Combination meter lost comm, that could be because of this aftermarket thing. I'm going to erase all the codes and see what comes back. Alright, I'm going to clear all these codes. Alright, everything went off and nothing came back on. So it claims the hood's open. Let's just see if that's really open. Yeah, it is. Let's just shut the hood. Okay. Let's shut this door, see what's happening. Alright. Shut the car. Turn it back on. The airbag light went on. Let's see if it goes out. And it went out. So either it's an intermittent issue or I don't know, it was a history issue. But we got a clear tree all because of that aftermarket thing plugged in. But the lesson is always look, and I get into this with programming a lot because when you're programming sometimes it fails because it has these things, I don't know, these other adapters for it. So I always check if it's full pins, then you know it's aftermarket. And you see here, this only has 1, 2, 3. This one has like 8 pins. So that's the difference. I don't know what this is. I don't know if they care. I'm gonna leave it in. I'll pull this thing out over here and pop in the original one. And if they decide they want it, they can fix this wire, but they bought this from the auction, so I don't think, you know, they care about it. All right. Well, and if the airbag light comes back on, that will be a separate diagnosis. I was really called down for the no communication issue. But I have the code, so if it comes back on, I'll just tell them what the code is. They'll look at the airbag. But I'm gonna run. All right, thanks for watching.